So I have logged in into the trial account. So I'm creating a new package here. So currently this package don't have any objects. So we are trying to get above objects from the GitHub. So this is my GitHub page. So where we have this repository. Basically this repo contains some wrap application. So it doesn't matter now. I would like to download this source code into our BTP trial account. So exactly in this package, right? So to do this, we need to install this GitHub repository. So you can simply install this, by going into this help, install new software, where you can select this link. I have already saved this. It's like a http://eclipse.abapgit.org update site. So you will have this. Just click on or select everything and just click on this next. As I have already installed, it is not populated for me. Finally, you can click on finish. So in your Eclipse version, you will have this abapGit repositories and ABAP staging. Okay, fine. Let's see how we can download the source code from the GitHub. So to do this, first I will try to make some settings in the GitHub. So this is my GitHub page. So I will have to create a token actually. For this, just go to here settings, and there is something called developer settings, right? Just click here. I will go with this tokens classic. I have already created a token in 4 months ago, but I would like to create a new one now. This is for Git ABAP. So you can choose the expiration date. Basically by default it will be at 30 days. So just select whatever the settings you would like to. I would like to write packages. I don't want to delete packages. I want admin access. Exactly what we need. Yeah, I think project something read. Okay. So this is enough. Just click on generate token. You will have the token. Just make sure you save this token somewhere. Otherwise, you will be missed out. I copy this. Fine. The token has been generated. Again, I went into this repo which where my source code is available, and I just want to download it. So just click on this code. You will have this HTTPS URL. Just copy this. Go back to the Eclipse. Just open this abapGit repository. If it is not available, just click on this window, show view and other. Here you can type abapGit. You will get this abapGit repositories and staging, and click on open. So let's try to add this repo into our ABAP trial version. So the URL, whatever I have copied, I just pasted it here. Okay, so now it is asking for username, so you can use this username basically. Then here you can provide the password, or you can provide the token which was generated now. So I'm going to provide the token here. Click on next. So you will have the branches. So right now I have the main branch because all my source code are in the main branch. So that is fine. And this here the package, this package is what we have to keep the newly created one. So I will search it here. So you will get it here. Just click on it. So you can choose this pull after link, which means once it is linked, it will start getting all the objects from the GitHub. So you can choose this, or else not a problem. We are going to do it manually. And click on finish. So it's getting reloaded, and so now we would able to see our git trial package should be linked. So we will here a lot of packages are there, so I'm going to search it. Yeah, so this is the package we have added, and you could see this is what the URL we have provided. So both are same, and the branch is main. Okay, and the user is my user, and the status is linked. Okay, now it does not have anything. If I do the refresh, still it didn't download anything, the any ABAP object from the GitHub it. So to do this, do a right click, and there is something called pull. Just click on this. Again, it will do the validation. Okay, click on next. So here we got all the information that we have in the GitHub. So you can choose specific object, or you can choose everything. Just select and click on next. And by default it will choose the transport from the package. Just click on finish. So you could see the status here. Now it's full started. If you do the refresh button, you will have the immediate status information. So currently it's downloading all the objects one by one. Okay, so it says it has been pulled with errors. Let's see the error. Just click on the show object log. So there is something called it says this data service does not exist and the import of object file. So it doesn't matter. Some of the object is missing. That's why it's showing on error. So but let's check what are the remaining objects have been pulled or not. For that, just click on this package, do a right click, just refresh this package. So you could see there are 10 objects already there. If you see the CDS views, whatever I have in the GitHub version, it's available in this in the trial version. So you could see there are some syntax error. This is because by default all the objects are inactive state. So we have to do the activate everything. Just click here and select and activate. So it has some error. Yes, so I don't want to see the errors, so I just activated blindly. Let's close this, and if we again see those objects, now the error was not there, right? And if you see the status, it is active. So this is how you can get the or download source code from the GitHub. So basically this will be really helpful if you are transferring the data from on-premise to BTP ABAP. So you can directly download the source code. So for this we have to use GitHub as a middleware. So you just from the on-premise you just have to push the code, the source code, whatever needs to be transferred to the BTP ABAP. Then from the GitHub you can simply do a pull or fetch. So in this video, let's see how to upload our source code to the GitHub. Okay, I have this GitHub account. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I need a new repo first of all in order to upload some objects. Okay, so for this I just trying to create a new repo here. Let's say abapGit upload. Yeah, that's fine. It's going to be a private. Add a readme file. Okay, so this will create main branch as a default. So if you want to define the branch name, you can change it by using the settings. But I'm fine with this main branch. Perfect. So I got this initial repo with the readme. Okay. I first of all, in order to upload some files, above files, I need to link this in my ADT. Okay. How do I link it? Just click here and you will have this HTTPS URL. Copy this. Just go back here. Okay. So I came back to this Eclipse where I can add this link to new abapGit repository. So if I'm trying to link it, it will definitely ask a local package. Okay. For that, I'm going to create a new package. Just let's say git upload. I'm going to add it to the favorite packages. Click on next. So yeah, just click on finish. Okay, I have this package in my ABAP system. Okay, this is currently it does not have any ABAP object to transfer, right? Okay, before creating some objects, what I'm going to do is I'll just first link this. Okay, just use this URL that we have copied from the GitHub. So it will ask username. Just provide the username. And so here you can provide the password or you can provide the token. I'm going to provide the token basically and click on next. Okay, it will ask some security things. I allow it. So you will have a branch here, right? And if you check the branch, you don't have any branch other than mine, right? So use this branch itself and just click on this package. So here I'm going to choose the new package that was created. I think it's GitHub, right? Yeah. So I got it here. Okay, and click on next. Okay, I will give a folder logic it's full and finish. So once it is, how do you find out it's linked or not? You just type it here, git upload. You could see here, status is a link. All right, right. So we have just successfully linked the GitHub repo. So next thing, so we are going to create some new objects here and trying to transfer to the GitHub. Okay, so let's create a new class. I will just simply create some class, basically test git or something, and I just click on next and click on finish. So this is one class I have created. All right. So here currently let's have some methods, something like method one something, and we define this as a empty implementation. Okay. Okay. So it looks fine now. So if we go back here to our GitHub, and you could see still we have only the README file. Okay, even though we just have a new class in our package that was linked to our GitHub repo, but it doesn't work like that. Okay, so once you have created your requirement objects and everything, what you have to do is just go to this GitHub repo link, do a right click. There is something called stage and push. Click on this. So you will have this kind of view where you can see what are the objects has been done already. Okay, so it just try to pick what are the changes done by me recently. Okay, so I have some updated some non-coded metadata file. Okay, let it be, and you will have some. This is the class that I have created, and this is the package I have created already. So these three things is what I require to upload to the GitHub repo. So just click on this button stage selected object. It will come here. Okay, once it come here, you have to definitely provide a commit message. Okay, so let's say like add a new class to the git upload package, something like this. Okay, related to your requirements. Okay, and you have to do this commit and push. Just click on this commit and push. You could see this, if it is a push is started and staging view will be black while push is running. Okay, so which means is the push has been started already. Okay, how do you know about this status, whether it has successfully pushed it to the GitHub layer? Either you can reload this, or else just go to here, our repository, just do a right click, and or maybe you can just do a refresh also. Okay, it says this here is push successfully. Okay, let's check whether the new class has been added here already or not. Okay, I will just reload this. Yeah, so all your files will be added under this source folder. Okay, if you just click on this, yeah, you could see the package that we have created. Yeah, this is the package we have created. It has the metadata information, where is the package and all. Then you will have a new class. Yeah, this is our new class. We have added the empty method one, and there is a metadata related to the class. Okay, so this is how we need to upload our source code to the GitHub basically. Right. Okay, let's create another class and quickly push it to the same repository. Okay, so and I'm going to add a same method 2 here with the same empty implementation. So once you have added new object, okay, still of course this object won't be there in the repo, right? Because we haven't pushed our new changes, right? So for this, what we are going to do is just simply again go back to this repo and do right click on stage and push. Okay. Now this unstaged changes will have our new classes. Okay, so this is our new classes, and those files information will be available. So same procedure, just stage the new changes and do the commit message. Another class. Okay, so before I show here, you could see this commit messages, right? That we have given in the last commit, added new class to the git upload. Okay, so but here we are trying to give a different commit messages. Okay, whenever you are doing commit, the latest commit message will be populated on the certain files. Okay, so for example, if I go here, so right now this class has been added by this commit, right? By this commit message. So if I change this class, okay, let's say, and if I uploaded it to the GitHub, then the commit message will be replaced. Okay, that's how it will work. Okay. Let's commit and push now. Okay, fine, and I will just do a refresh here. Okay, again I got it's the same message, but let's confirm it here. I'll reload it. Let's reload it. Okay, you could see the message here. There is a new class. Git one has been added. This I added another class. It has a method too, right? Yes. So this is how we can create a new object, and we can upload the new objects into our repo. But there is one thing we need to change. Okay, usually if we do everything update in the same main branch itself, we could miss some version management thing. Okay, because this main branch is something kind of productive branch you can consider. Okay, so you cannot have this branch. You can use this branch as a final version of the code like our productive system. Right? So how do you upload to the then what is the way we can use this to upload to the main branch? So how do we upload, or maybe how do we handle the maintenance of the code? Okay, that is something called you have to create a new branch. Okay, in this new branch you have to work on it. You can fix something, or you can add a new feature of this in the new branch, and this new branch is going to be merged with your main branch. Okay, so before merging, before updating some changes to the main branch, you will have to verify what changes you are going to be going to merge, so that to make sure your main branch code will be always consistent, and it will not give any issues at the at someone fetches this main branch code. Okay, so how do we create a new branch, and how do we merge it? So let's see in this video. Okay, fine. So we have these two classes in already in our repo. So I'm just going to create a new branch here. Okay, so I'm in the GitHub. Just click here. Just type some new branch. Okay, so if I create a new branch, basically it will copy all your source code from the main branch. So if you see here the source, see all your, even the new class that we have uploaded, right? So this has been copied from the main branch. Okay, so here you have two branches, one is main and the one is new branch. Okay, so this is the branch we have to update. Let's say if I found some bugs in the main branch, how do I resolve it? I have to create a new branch as a bug, and bug fix or something. Then this is the branch I'm going to upload my fix. Okay, instead of directly uploading to the main. So to keep proper tracking of what changes is going to the main branch. So this is really very very important when you're working in the working in the team environment. Because multiple people will be doing this, creating this different branches, and finally your team architect or team lead will review the your changes in this new branches, and he will approve or decline your merge to the main branch. Okay, so yes, then okay, let's start it. Okay, so before if you see, come back to here. Okay, what is happening here? This is the link we have already done, but this link has the branch to the main. Okay, that's why in our previous the new class has been uploaded to the main branch directly. Okay, to avoid this, what I'm going to do is I'm just doing unlink. Okay, I'm going to do a fresh link to the my new branch. That is my new branch. Okay, so let's click on this, and this URL is going to be same. It's no difference in this URL. Okay, only difference in the branches. Okay, let's quickly give the username. Copy. Okay, just how do you use the different branch here? So there is a input called branch. You will have whenever you are creating a new branch, and those will get populated when you're trying to link. Okay, so you have to give your new branch here. Okay, once you have given, it's the same process. How you give the package, right? Git upload, then this is the package. Yes. Okay, just click on next and click on finish. Now. So now what has happened is the new branch is what linked to the our package, Git upload package. So when you are creating a new object, or when you are modifying the existing object, okay, in this case, these changes will be updated to the new branches only. It will not affect the main branch. Got it? So let's say like I will go to the class one. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new methods here. Okay, currently there's only one method. I'm going to create a new method. Okay, let's say method 2. Fine, and I will have empty implementation for the method 2 as well. So the first class that we have created, now it has method 2. So if you just reload this, okay, to verify it, okay, just go to this source, and this is the class I'm referring. Sorry, this is the class I'm referring. Currently it has method 1. Let's check what is there in the main branch. In the main branch also it is having the method 1. Okay, I'm changing it branch settings here. Okay, so you can go back and do it, but yeah, this is the easiest way. So here it is method 1, and let's go back, switch to this new branch. Okay, so right now this is having only method 1, and you could see here commit message, the last commit message of the main branch is added another class. Okay, fine. So I hope it clears. Okay, additionally I'm trying to create some other objects. Let's say like ABAP interface here. So here upload something, upload, finish. Cool. So we have a new interface as well, right? So the interface contains some methods, right? Definitely it should have some methods. Something IF underscore method one, some name. Doesn't matter actually. Activate this. Okay. So this interface is the newly created. Okay, and this is modifying the existing part. Okay. So if we go back here again, so you won't have the information about the interface here, right? So that we haven't committed it. Only we are having this GCL classes only. Okay. Right, perfect. So this is what you have to do again for pushing. So click on the stage and push. So you will have the recently modified objects for you. You could see this is the interface you got, and this is the class. Okay, if you check this class, yeah. So you have to select all. Okay, just click on this stage button. Okay, then add a message. So add a new method in the first class. Okay, and new interface created. Fine. So this is my commit message to understand what are the changes that has been done. Okay, I'll do a commit and push now. So where it will go? Do you think it will go only to this new branch? It will not be there in the main branch. See, once I have pushed, my right now the status is linked. But if you refresh it, it will be a successful thing, because I already, if you could see here, the new branch had the recent pushes 2 seconds. So it automatically identifies the recent push as done on this new branch. Okay, but let's reload this. So yeah, so what is this commit message source? If you check the commit, it will tell you clearly, but I will just show this later. Okay, yeah, fine. And it tells you that this branch is one commit ahead of main. Okay, so we have did a one commit, okay, which is ahead of the main branch. That is what it refers. Because this commit has not moved to the main yet. That is what it means. So if you go to the source folder, and you could see, first we'll check the class, verify the class. You could see the method who is that, and if you check the interface, you will have the interface. Okay, let's quickly transit to the main branch. Okay, so if you, okay, it says it's not that this interface file is not there, that's why it's giving an error. Let's click on source to see the files. Still it don't have the interface files, and if you check this class, it don't have the method too, right? Okay, so let's quickly go back to this new branch. Fine. So we have done some existing. Let's say I have added some functional, or I added some fix in this new branch. So now what is the next thing we need to do? Okay, somehow we need to merge it to the main branch, right? Then only it will be available in the main branch. Okay. How do I merge? So for merging, okay, just go back here. Here itself, you will have click on this compare and pull request. So pull request is something you have to create for merging. Okay. So this is the way you can merge it to the main branch. So this is the best practice we have to follow always. Okay. So let's compare and do the pull request. I'll go here. Okay. So what it says, it's going to compare with the main branch. And what is the title? It's the title that was added, committed message that is going to be titled. You can change it if you want, and you can add a description. What are the objects have been modified? What are the why it has been modified, and what is the reason about the requirements? Okay, you can do this. And if you have some reviewers, you can add the reviewers as well. Like definitely you would have like team lead or technical architect will be that. So you can add this person to review your code. Okay, so that they will get the notification about this new commit in this about this new commit, and they would able to check it. Once you click on this pull request, they will able to check this. What is the changes that has been done, whether it's a good change, whether it will affect the existing logic or not. Everything they will check, and they will approve or decline based on the your latest code in the new branch. Okay, that is what this is what we have to do always. So if you see here, it will tell you in this what are the files that has been changed comparing the main. So by comparing the main, it says this method 2 has been added newly. That's why the plus icon is there in this, and yeah, these are the lines has been that was added. Okay, and if you see this everything, the interface has been newly added. This new file has been created in this new branch. Okay, and some metadata information about this interface. Okay, so let's create this pull request. Okay, once we create this request, and whoever you have added this request will get notified, and they will check this commit, and they would be able to approve or reject this. Okay, right now it's for demo purpose I'm using it, so maybe I can just, if I click on this merge pull request, it will be merged automatically. There is no nothing in that, but in the real time, the reviewer will be doing this approval or decline based on your pull request. So the pull request something it's kind of where the code review process will start. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. So this is fine, and I will just do the merge pull request. So this is my merge pull request, and just click on this confirm merge. So it says pull request successfully merged and closed. You are all set. The new branch can be safely deleted. So if you want, you can delete these branches. Otherwise, we can keep this. It's up to us. Basically, let's go back and verify in the main branch. Okay, I will go back to the code. So this is the main and that. Okay, if you check this new branch, of course, it's the latest information only we'll be having. Let's check the main. Yeah, so you could see this, the new commit message that was ordered is here. Just click on the source. Yeah, by saying this, you could see this the interface is available, and you could see here, the method 2 is available in the first class, right? So